thanks for joining me for the Yule Ball today. And during our virtual Yule Ball, we're going to be doing some virtual illustrations. So if you guys have ever worked with Procreate or a similar type of illustrative software, you're going to be able to follow along with this golden snitch Procreate tutorial really easily. Let's get started. All right, let's go ahead and jump into this. I'm going to start by setting my color palette. Now I have my color palette identified here. I'm going to go ahead and let you know what all my hexadecimal codes are for this, so if you want to come over here to value and set your hex codes there, I'm going to go ahead and put that up on the screen. You can pause the video if you want to, so you can come through and copy these and make your own color palette out of it. So I have that set to default. I'm going to start by going to my background color here and setting it as purple, because that's what I like to work with. Next, on my layer here, I'm going to choose this middle gold color, and that's going to be the basis of my snitch. So I'm going to start here like so, and then using my finger, I'm going to hold there. It's a little bit more of an oval than what I wanted, so let me try that again. Using a studio pen. There we go. The beginning of my snitch. I'm going to make this a little bit smaller. Bring that into the center here. Maybe a little bit smaller. I'll zoom in on it as I need to. Right there. Snitches are small. We're going to make it small. Okay. Next, I'm going to create a new layer. I'm going to make this layer a clipping mask for referencing the layer below it, our base for our snitch. And I'm going to start using some of these darker colors and making some shadows. So just follow along, make shadows and highlights as you like, okay? Alright, there we go. So that's going to be the basis of our little golden snitch here. Next, what we need to do is add a couple of decorative lines. So I'm just going to zoom in a little bit here. I'm going to start by adding a new layer, of course. We're going to also make this layer a clipping mask here. And then we're going to turn on, under the little wrench here, our drawing guide. I'm going to start by editing the drawing guide. I'm going to click Symmetry. I'm going to make sure I have a nice dark colored line. And I want to move this around so that it's right in the middle of my circle where I'm going to be working with here. Click Done. Make sure you have assisted drawing turned on. And then let's go ahead and make some fun little snitch decorations. There we go. So those are our lines. We're going to make a new layer here. And one more time. No, this one's not going to be a clipping mask, but we do want to have drawing assist turned on. So you do want to make sure that it says assisted, because what we're going to be doing is making the little nodules where the wings from the snitch are going to turn on. So the little round balls that go up at the top there. So I'm going to start with this lighter gold color. Let's see if I can make perfect circles. Nice and round. There we go. Okay, now new layer, clipping mask for the previous layer so we can add some shadows, and drawing assist turned on one more time. Let's get into these shadows here. There we go. All right, so those are the little tips of our wings here. We're going to start a new layer one more time, and then this layer we're actually going to move so that it's underneath this layer here, right like that. Turn our drawing assist on, and let's make some wings. Let's add another layer on top of that. And just like before, with the drawing assist, we're going to add a little bit more definition to these. So here we go. Final step, we're just going to add a little bit of shadow underneath here. So what we're going to do is add another layer here, and we're going to put a little bit of a shadow right underneath all of these. Using our dark purple here, might make it a little bit darker, like that. Let's make a shadow. All right, and there we have it. We've drawn a snitch in just a few easy steps using Procreate. If you enjoyed this video, join us at our Yule Ball Google Classroom. Go to the GCPL's website. I have a link to the classroom code at the end of this video. Thanks for watching.